we are kicking things off with massive news from Hollywood. NBC is making a huge push for pilots this year, ordering 8 pilots, up from 3 each last year, signaling a major shift in how the network is developing its next big hits. We dive into exactly which dramas and comedies are moving forward, and what this means for the future of television production.
Never get caught with a dead phone again. This INIU portable charger is compact, travel-friendly, and gives you fast 45-watt charging with a built-in USB-C cable, so there's no need to carry extra cords. With 10,000 mAh power, it's perfect for busy days, trips, emergencies, or anytime your battery drops too low. Grab yours on Amazon through the link in the comments before your phone hits 1%.
Next up, we look at the tech side of media. Dang Lai joins Operative as Chief Product Officer, taking the lead on product strategy for the ad tech software firm. We break down how this move is set to redefine omnichannel engagement and the future of data-driven advertising across TV and streaming platforms. Now, we switch gears to reality television and the corporate landscape. Shannon Beador's daughter Sophie is working at NBC Universal in ad sales, navigating the dynamic between the family business and the network. Find out why Sophie isn't pivoting to Bravo and what her bosses are asking her about. And finally, we look at streaming subscriber battles. Fubo hit 5.7 million combined subscribers in Q2, even as NBC Universal programming remains dark, and we explore how the integration with Hulu plus Live TV and Disney is progressing. Stay with us to see how Fubo plans to drive growth for 2026. NBC is significantly increasing its commitment to television production by ordering 8 pilots this year, a notable increase from 3 each in the previous 2 years. This move signals a strategic pivot for the network amid an industry-wide downturn in pilot orders, driven by the shift towards straight-to-series content from streaming platforms. The landscape has fundamentally changed, with streaming services prioritizing immediate content additions. This competition has pushed executives to order shows out of season to secure projects from high-profile talent before they are acquired by streamers. Following the disruptions caused by the pandemic and 2023 strikes, the industry is seeking a new wave of successful programming. NBC is leveraging this environment by revisiting the pilot stage, viewing it as a crucial tool to pressure test development, ensure story viability, and ultimately save costs by preventing costly reshoots. Lisa Katz, president of scripted content for NBC and Peacock, stated that the network felt the timing was right, citing favorable external factors such as labor stability and strong scripts. She emphasized that pilots are valuable for determining how stories function and how casts collaborate. NBC ordered 5 dramas and 3 comedies, all of which have completed production in Los Angeles, New York, and Atlanta, creating 4,000 jobs across the sites and produced by Universal Television. The drama slate includes a reboot of The Rockford Files, a death investigator series, and a psychologist consulting with the FBI. The comedies feature titles like Sunset P.I. and Jill and Ginger, benefiting from the creative ecosystem of Los Angeles. Meanwhile, the streaming world continues to navigate distribution strategies. Netflix recently announced a wide theatrical release for Greta Gerwig's Narnia, The Magician's Nephew, a move that deviates from their typical pattern of streaming first, though executives are engaging with theater owners to explore theatrical windows for future projects. In other Hollywood news, The Devil Wears Prada 2 achieved massive box office success, grossing $233.6 million worldwide, with women constituting the majority of the audience, underscoring the market demand for female-focused content. Additionally, the industry is seeing continued interest in genre content, as evidenced by the launch of Season 2 of the Netflix sports comedy, Running Point. Operative, a software provider for media companies managing and selling ads across TV, streaming, and digital platforms, has appointed Dang Lai as its new Chief Product Officer. Lai, formerly the Senior Vice President and Chief Technology Officer at Universal Destinations and Experiences, will spearhead the company's product strategy and roadmap across its portfolio, which includes AOS, Operative, One, Adeline AI, and SDAQ. His mandate focuses on deepening data unification capabilities, expanding the omnichannel intelligence layer, and accelerating AI integration across the entire product suite. Lai emphasized the critical role of unified data in the evolving media and advertising landscape, stating, "Media and advertising is evolving rapidly, and the companies that can unify trusted data and turn it into personalized audience experiences will define the next era." Omnichannel engagement and AI only deliver value when the data underneath is connected, reliable, and activated intelligently. Operative sits at exactly that intersection, and I'm energized to help our customers turn connected data into measurable, outcome-based growth. With over 20 years of experience scaling customer-facing products in media, entertainment, hospitality, and retail, Lai brings a deep background in building data platforms. At Universal Destinations and Experiences, he oversaw a global strategy leveraging data and AI to unify customer, operational, and transactional data for personalized guest experiences. Prior to his role at Universal, Lai spent nearly a decade leading NBC Universal's core, ad sales, technology, and engineering teams. Operative CEO Mike Napadano praised the move, noting that Lai possesses a rare combination of skills. Dang brings something rare. He has built audience data platforms at scale, and he has used them to deliver products that transform the way customers manage their business. He understands that 360-degree audience understanding isn't a dashboard or a report. It's an end-to-end discipline that starts with how you capture data and ends with how you act on it. That perspective is exactly what will shape Operative's product roadmap as we help our customers grow in an AI-driven world. This appointment signals a strategic pivot for Operative, sharpening its focus on omnichannel data strategies and advanced analytics to thrive in the AI-driven market. Sophie Bedore, the daughter of Real Housewives of Orange County star Shannon Bedore, has secured a position at NBC Universal, the parent company of Bravo. In a recent interview on the Gia Giudis podcast, Sophie shared insights into her role and her intentions regarding the Bravo universe. Sophie explained that her job focuses on the business side of the network, specifically working in ad sales at NBC Universal. She expressed a preference for a behind-the-scenes role and confirmed she has no immediate plans to join her mother's reality show or any other Bravo-related venture. When questioned about the possibility of pivoting to Bravo, Sophie revealed that her bosses have directly asked her if she had considered it. While admitting she has considered the option, Sophie stated she likely will not pursue it, emphasizing her desire to maintain professional boundaries. "As much as I love her, I don't want to hear my mom's name at work," she clarified. Despite her current stance, Sophie indicated that she would readily support her mother's career aspirations at Bravo if Shannon ever decided to change her mind, offering to pitch her mother for ad campaigns and promos. Sophie also noted connections within the industry, mentioning friends who work on Bravo and participate in events like BravoCon, and shared that one friend has successfully pitched her mother for various opportunities. The Bedore family includes Sophie, along with her father, David Bedore. David and Shannon were married from 2000 to 2017 before divorcing. The couple also share twin daughters, Adeline and Stella, who are now 21. Meanwhile, The Real Housewives of Orange County is currently filming season 20, with an expected broadcast date in late 2026. The series is available for streaming on Peacock. Fubo has reached 5.7 million combined subscribers in the second quarter, shedding 500,000 subscribers. Progress is underway with the integration of Hulu Plus Live TV and Disney, with the first phase nearing completion. The sports streamer is strategically moving its ad tech into Disney's server to sell inventory alongside Disney Plus, Hulu, and ESPN later this month, a move expected to significantly boost CPMs and fill rates. The second phase is planned for the first half of 2027, introducing Fubo Sports alongside ESPN Unlimited and Disney bundles to drive subscriber growth more efficiently and lower customer acquisition costs. Executives highlighted that Fubo Sports, featuring major networks like ESPN, ABC, CBS, and Fox, has strong market traction among value-oriented consumers and has successfully boosted Latino subscriber numbers with a new Spanish-language bundle. While NBC Universal programming has been dark on the platform since November, executives noted the subscriber impact of this blackout was modest, attributed to the strength of the sports proposition and pricing adjustments. Despite subscriber losses, the company narrowed its quarterly loss to $6.2 million and achieved a record revenue of $1.6 billion, though the stock fell over 10% following an announcement of a reverse stock split aimed at aligning operational scale and attracting institutional investment. Looking forward, CEO David Gandler has set the 2026 North Star on simple growth, focusing on sports, distribution partnerships, and monetization. The company is also targeting opportunities in mobile experiences and engaging with Disney's sports betting capabilities for over 10 million users, while reaffirming financial guidance, projecting positive free cash flow in fiscal 2027 and 2028.